Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Blender and going straight to Edit Right Arrow Preferences, Right Arrow Themes. This is the only built-in path to reliably change interface colors. Once there, pick a preset to preview instantly, or click New to begin customizing panels, text, and icons. You change sections from the left list. Each selection updates the UI live so you can evaluate contrast and legibility. Make incremental changes so you can reverse easily. And remember to save once satisfied so the theme persists across sessions. Once you've created or selected a base, dive into detailed elements. Headers, panels, status bars, and widget states. You'll change active, hover, and disabled colors separately. You can enter exact RGB numbers or hex codes for consistency across projects, which matters when matching brand or readability goals. Make sure to switch between editors, 3D View, Node Editor, UV Editor, because some elements inherit colors differently. This iterative process helps you balance contrast and focus, ensuring UI elements remain visible under different lighting and scene setups. To finish, save your work. Click Save Preferences, and if you want the theme at startup, use File Right Arrow Defaults Right Arrow Save Startup File. This locks the UI on launch. You can also export the theme as an XML file to share or backup, which is useful when moving between machines. If changes don't appear, make sure no add-on is overriding colors, then try reloading the preferences or resetting to default and reapplying the theme. This resolves most conflicts and ensures the theme applies correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.